Hey there, home cooks! Today, I'm sharing a recipe that's like a warm hug in a bowl, comforting chicken pilaf. Perfect for those chilly nights or when you just need a little extra comfort. Alright, let's dive in. Grab 1 cup of long grain rice and make sure to rinse it well. Trust me, this step's important for that fluffy texture. Next, you'll need 1.5 cups of cooked shredded chicken. You can use leftovers or a rotisserie chicken to save time. Now, heat up 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Toss in half a small onion, finely chopped, and 2 minced garlic cloves. Sauté until they're soft and your kitchen smells amazing. Time to add the rinsed rice. Toast it for about 2 minutes. This gives the pilaf a nice nutty note. Pour in 2 cups of chicken broth, homemade or store-bought, your call. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of either turmeric or paprika for a pop of color. If you're feeling adventurous, add half a teaspoon of cumin for an extra depth of flavor. Stir everything together and bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat, cover the pan, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Patience is key here. Once the rice is tender, stir in the shredded chicken. Cover it again and let it steam for another 5 minutes. This step ensures the chicken's heated through and the flavors meld beautifully. Fluff it up with a fork and voila! Your comforting chicken pilaf is ready to serve. Garnish with fresh parsley or toasted almonds for that extra touch. Dig in and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more comforting dishes. Until next time, happy cooking!